Hello, holiday tech lovers, and welcome back to AI Nexus Vlogmas 2024. It's day 4, and you know what that means? Time to deck the halls with boughs of algorithms? Okay, maybe not boughs of algorithms, but we are spicing things up today, literally. On day 4 of our festive AI series, we're diving headfirst into a world where AI transforms your holiday cooking from help. I burned the turkey again, to did you hire a personal chef? We're talking next-level, AI-powered holiday recipes. From meal planning that would make a Michelin star chef jealous to recipe creation that's straight-up magic, and even personalized cookie designs that'll make Santa ditch the milk and cookies for a selfie, AI is about to become the sous chef you never knew you needed. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's dive into the delicious world of AI-powered holiday recipes. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. The holidays are supposed to be about joy, family, and good cheer, right? It's that magical time of year when we come together to celebrate and create lasting memories. But somewhere between figuring out what to cook for your picky aunt who's suddenly gone gluten-free, and making sure there's enough food to feed your second cousin twice removed, the holiday cheer tends to disappear faster than a plate of gingerbread cookies at a kid's party. The stress of planning, shopping, and cooking can really take a toll. But fear not, my friends, because AI is here to save the day. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need and when you need it. We're talking AI-powered apps like Yummly and SideChef, your new secret weapons in the fight against holiday cooking stress. These apps are designed to make your life easier. These apps are like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want before you even do. They can suggest recipes based on your preferences and dietary needs. Think about it. You've got dietary restrictions? No problem. Yummly can whip up a holiday feast that'll satisfy even the pickiest eater. Got a pantry full of random ingredients that you're pretty sure expired sometime back in 2017? SideChef's got your back. It can help you make the most of what you have. It'll take those forgotten ingredients and turn them into a culinary masterpiece that'll have everyone asking for seconds. But wait, there's more. These apps don't just stop at suggesting recipes. They offer so much more to ensure your holiday meal is a success. We're talking step-by-step cooking instructions, so even if you burn water, you can still create a holiday feast worthy of a 5-star restaurant. They'll guide you through every chop, sauté, and bake, ensuring that your holiday meal is nothing short of perfection. And the best part? You can kiss those days of frantically scribbling down recipes on scraps of paper goodbye. No more lost recipes or last-minute panics. Yummly and SideChef keep all your recipes organized and easily accessible right on your phone. It's like having a digital cookbook curated specifically for your holiday needs. So this holiday season, let AI take the stress out of meal planning and cooking. Focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones. With Yummly and SideChef, you can create delicious, stress-free holiday meals that everyone will love. Happy holidays and happy cooking. Yummly and SideChef keep all your recipes organized and easily accessible right on your phone. It's like having a digital cookbook curated specifically for your holiday needs. Okay, so we've tackled meal planning, but what about those times when you want to impress your guests with something truly unique, something that screams I put in effort without actually having to, put in too much effort? You want that wow factor, but without the stress and hours in the kitchen. Well, get ready to have your minds blown because AI is about to rock your world with its recipe creating skills. We're talking about AI tools like ChatGPT and Chef Watson, the culinary masterminds of the digital age. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your meals more exciting. These AI powerhouses can create dishes so unique, so mind-blowingly delicious, that your guests will think you've been secretly attending a culinary institute. Imagine the look on their faces when they taste something they've never had before, something extraordinary. Imagine this: spiced gingerbread latte cheesecake. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a thing, and it's glorious. This is the kind of dessert that not only tastes amazing, but also becomes a conversation starter at your holiday gathering. And guess what? It's not some crazy recipe that requires a degree in pastry arts to make. AI tools like ChatGPT and Chef Watson can generate recipes like this and more, taking into account your preferences, dietary needs, and even the ingredients you have on hand. It's like having a culinary expert right at your fingertips. But here's the really cool part: AI learns from feedback. The more you interact with these tools, the smarter they get. They adapt to your tastes and preferences, making each recipe more tailored to your liking. That means the more you use these tools, the better they get at understanding your taste and creating recipes that are perfectly tailored to your palate. It's like having a personal chef who evolves with you, constantly improving and refining their skills. It's like having a personal chef who knows your taste buds better than you do. Imagine the convenience and the joy of having meals that are always spot on, always delicious. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even ask these AI tools to surprise you with a completely random recipe. This adds an element of fun and excitement to your cooking experience. Who knows, you might just discover your new favorite holiday dish. The possibilities are endless, and the journey from to has never been more thrilling. So go ahead, let AI take your holiday meals to the next level. Chapter 3. AI, Cookie Designs, Baking Up a Digital Storm. Let's be honest, no holiday season is complete without a batch or 5 of freshly baked cookies. But this year, we're taking cookie decorating to a whole new level with the power of AI. Forget those tired old gingerbread men and generic snowflakes, because AI is about to turn your cookies into edible works of art. We're talking about AI tools like DALL-E, the Picasso of the digital art world. This AI marvel can create cookie designs so intricate, so mind-bogglingly creative that your friends and family will be too busy admiring them to actually eat them. Okay, maybe not. Imagine this, futuristic snowflakes with intricate geometric patterns that would make a mathematician weep, AI-inspired robots sporting Santa hats and candy cane blasters, and a digital Santa Claus striking a pose that would make even the Grinch crack a smile. With DALL-E, the possibilities are literally endless. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a master baker or a skilled artist to bring these AI-designed cookies to life. You can print out DALL-E's creations using a 3D printer and use them as cookie cutters, or you can use them as templates for your own icing masterpieces. So, this holiday season, ditch the store-bought cookie cutters and unleash your inner digital artist with AI-powered cookie designs. Your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you. Chapter 4. AI, your holiday prep assistant extraordinaire. Okay, we've talked about meal planning, recipe creation, and even cookie decorating, but what about all the other stuff that comes with holiday cooking? The little details that can make or break your festive feast? You know, the shopping lists, the timers, the frantic Googling of what wine pairs best with roast turkey? All those small but crucial tasks that can easily slip your mind amidst the holiday hustle and bustle. Don't worry, AI has got you covered on that front too. These smart assistants are designed to handle the nitty-gritty details so you can focus on enjoying the holiday spirit. Think of AI assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant as your personal holiday elves, always ready to lend a helping hand, here to make your life easier and ensure that your holiday prep runs smoother than a well-oiled gravy boat. Imagine having a reliable helper who never forgets a task. These digital assistants are like having a personal assistant, a sous chef, and a tech-savvy best friend all rolled into one. They can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, making your holiday prep a breeze. Need to create a shopping list that includes everything from cranberry sauce to those weird little cocktail onions your grandma loves? No problem at all. Just tell Alexa or Google Assistant, and they'll add it to your list faster than you can say eggnog. It's like having a magical notepad that never loses your notes. No more last-minute dashes to the grocery store on Christmas Eve. Everything you need will be right there, ready, and waiting. And forget about setting multiple timers and trying to remember which one is for the turkey and which one is for the sweet potato casserole. It can get so confusing. Just tell your AI assistant to set a timer for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and they'll handle the rest. And they'll remind you when it's time to check on your culinary creations. But wait, there's more. They can even help you with those tricky wine pairings. These AI assistants can even help you with those tricky wine pairings. Just ask, "Hey Google, what wine goes best with roast goose?" And they'll provide you with expert recommendations that will impress even the snobbiest wine connoisseur at your holiday table. Your guests will be amazed at your impeccable taste. So let your AI assistant take the stress out of holiday prep and enjoy a seamless, joyful, and delicious holiday season. Chapter 5. The Christmas of Giving, a Heartwarming Holiday Story. And now for a special announcement that's close to my heart. This holiday season, I'm excited to share with you a story that embodies the true spirit of Christmas, the Christmas of giving. This heartwarming tale, available now on Amazon, is more than just a story. It's a reminder of the importance of kindness, generosity, and the magic that happens when we open our hearts to others. It's a story that will resonate with readers of all ages, sparking conversations about the true meaning of Christmas. The Christmas of Giving follows the journey of a young boy who discovers that the greatest gifts aren't found under the tree, but in the act of giving itself. It's a story that will warm your heart, inspire your soul, and leave you feeling the true spirit of the holiday season. Whether you're looking for a heartwarming bedtime story to share with your loved ones or a thoughtful gift that keeps on giving, The Christmas of Giving is the perfect choice. It's a story that will stay with you long after you've turned the last page, reminding you of the true meaning of Christmas. So, this holiday season, give the gift of a good story. Give the gift of The Christmas of Giving. It's a gift that will touch the hearts of everyone who reads it. That's it for Day 4 of AI Nexus Vlogmas 2024. We've explored how AI can revolutionize your holiday cooking, from planning the perfect menu to designing Instagram-worthy cookies. Who knew algorithms could be so delicious and fun? Are you ready to let AI help you in the kitchen this holiday season? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share your favorite recipes. Let's see those AI-powered culinary creations. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's exciting episode, where we'll explore AI-powered gift wrapping ideas. Yes, you heard that right. AI can even help you wrap those awkwardly shaped gifts. Until then, stay merry and stay curious. Bye for now.